Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Zaskia Rofida with student ID 2024-32054. In this video, I will explain the step-by-step process of our practicum on simple linear regression using Microsoft Excel. This includes manual calculation, chart visualization, and regression analysis using Excel's built-in features. Part 1 is calculating Y. First, we input the data for advertising cost as variable X and sales as variable Y. Each X and Y pair is entered in the same row for easier analysis. Then, we calculate the X squared, Y squared, and X times Y. And then we add 3 columns to the table to calculate. After all, we sum all the values in each column using the function sum. These totals will be used in the regression formula. And then we calculate the mean of X and Y using either average or by dividing the total by the number of data points, N. To calculate the slope, we use the formula B equals N times the sum of X times Y minus the sum of X times the sum of Y divided by N times the sum of X squared minus the square of the sum of X. And then we calculate the intercept A. The intercept is calculated using the formula A equals the mean of Y minus B times the mean of X. After we obtain A and B, we form the linear regression equation. Y equals A plus B times X. We use this equation to predict the value of Y based on any given value of X. The results are shown in a new column in the table. Part 2, Sheet 1, Manual regression and visualization. A. Entering the same data into the table. And then we calculate the sum for each column using the sum function to prepare for further analysis. We determine the average values of X and Y. We calculate the slope using the same formula as in the manual method. The intercept is calculated from the average of Y minus B times the average of X. We write the equation of the regression line as Y equals A plus B times X. We apply the equation to estimate Y for a specific X value. For example, when X is 100, we analyze the slope, intercept, correlation or R, and coefficient of determination or R square to understand the strength of the relationship between X and Y. We create a scatter plot of the data, then add a trend line to display the regression line. This helps us visualize how well the line fits the data. The last sheet is regression using Excel's built-in feature. First, the same data is copied into a new sheet for automated regression analysis. We go to the Data tab, click on Data Analysis, then choose Regression. In the dialog box, we select Y range for sales, X range for advertising costs. We check the labels box, then click OK. The regression output appears in a new section. The key values are multiple R 0.9, 100, and 2. Indicates the strong correlation. R squared 0.819. About 81.86% of Y's variation is explained by X. Adjusted R squared 0.798. Standard error 20.856. Observations is 14. The ANOVA section shows regression degree of freedom, sum of squares or regression, residual SS, total SS, F value indicates model significance, and significance F much lower than 0.05 confirms the model is statistically significant. Regression coefficient The output shows intercept A and slope B. This means for every increase of 1 unit in X, Y increases by about 0.178 units. Then, value is extremely small, showing the model is statistically significant. The 95% confidence interval for B is also provided. Lower bound 347.48, upper bound 403.12. That concludes the video on simple linear regression analysis using Excel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.